How are you, Clinton?
Dribble Zizi.
She's right. What is happening is Kuti. I've got no peace at home. My peace has been taken away in a way that I do not like. Mwana wa sekuru wangu Single J Jeremiah Chingoma avaroa ni mwana wa muloja inini bana iwe njakuroaji kana mai wako wauya nditika amai yake bana hizo zote terms za kwana naenda umba kwe amai ve mwana aroa vakatanga kuroa inini nechamboko kumeso ndichitiziramba mangu achivhandivhurira futi vachindiroa. So I just don't know what to start to do. If I was going to fight her, she was going to actually die in a fraction of a second because I was well trained in Rona's Mafia. So what I would ask is my removal from that place because it's now a dungeon. Let them bitch around and let them do what they want to do because in my righteous way.
What about you?
I can't even because I need Japadi.
Friday, no, I'm Kazi or Gonozor.
I want to say I'm Kazunino Cherry. How's Roddie?
I'm going to Mamba to
Mamba, Nichambo, you says one of police church.
Was the run for no
young Quaza Gumbo to son. You, it went out. I get a Yamo and Roddie. It's now quite Abandora was a man. Ira quare nani gara sigo. But zero iro. If I made my crutches and not what is bush. In Inga without it, I love peace, love and harmony. And if there is no peace, I go away.
Yes, my mother, name does a good day when some
Aiwa, in any resort, she not the dark. Go shine 24 hours of the day. I'll be awake. If I'm intoxicated, I can actually sleep for about 1 hour. That's enough. But people take me for granted just because they think I'll be drinking highly intoxicated beer. So what I would just ask from the world, Ndara Taruinga, Sankanga, when it was away Magudanda, and I would ram and I got married.
I don't like the masters or Buddhist Parafa Joe.
Papi.
Mdaroko, I don't like
the masters. Yeah, chokwadi pepe. When they say, needed a moon hospital. Munu yontiza futhi ozonda ngondishawuda futhi ndadzokera naye futhi umeda ndite sei ndaizvifambisa sei kana ndivhunzeyo wenda nemunhu hospital ovunzwa kuti ukosora here ovhati handisi kukosora ndodedzwa inini hakosore anokosora you know I would say kuti sha you deserve to die because udozvurayo sha inini when I'm not fit, I just actually take my medication and not be drinking. There is Vambisa say, there is Zita say. Then I Samar Wilkins, Samanda Kumbra Koma Kuda Motkar, Bo, Tayenda. So my doctor had about tea time. George Sara, who come Kuda phone you, try to go to her. The Chicago can send about 30 minutes, Angama Shulema. And so we don't see a good in the admit. Because they wanted to admit him so that they treat him in the right way. So in my hands are clean. But
Chico Jorgumesh.
Kambuchi. I Kambuchi.
Kambuchi do you?
Kambuchi is a drink that is has got ingredients. It has honey, it has got tea, leaves, sugar, ginger, and concentrate, black pepper, and water. Sodium, benzoate, and citric acid. It is produced and packed by Kombucha Fresh Zimbabwe Private Limited, that is located.
Aikuve.
dringi kana basa
iripo hatainzwa nyako
nyange kana matongoinzwawo ndizvozvo amwana sandikanga mwanje nyadzi chadaro
yapo